I went to college today in the morning, and due to Diwali festival is coming, all the faculties were busy in their own work, so nobody came to teach me in the lecture. So the class was completely empty. Only two students were present, me and one more friend who was in library, who was not in class. So I was the only one in the classroom. Complete pin drop silence. Even the fan was not making any noise. I was studying, and I realized this one thing, that I'm very good at grasping subjects. I'm very good at the concentration. I'm very good at learning something new. When I was learning something in data structures and in digital fundamentals, I was learning a topic called as serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out shift registers. I was studying that particular topic, and after that I studied ring counter and twisted ring counter, and then I studied quick sort, merge sort, and heap sort programs, C programs. So when I was learning these topics, I was very much concentrated at that particular moment, and I was doing very well. I was grasping the topics very well. So this I realized this one thing about me, that I am very good at concentration, and I'm very peaceful. I'm very peaceful when there is nobody around me. I find my peace when there is nobody around me, and I'm studying something and I'm grasping all the topics very well, because I'm very happy in my life from inside. I'm very happy from my life from inside. I'm grateful for whatever opportunities I'm having in my life. I'm very happy from all the opportunities which I have in my life, and I'm very much solved, you can say. I'm not complicated. I'm solved from inside. I have answers to all my questions, and that is why I'm solved. And when I sit alone, I don't get any negative thoughts. I am fully concentrated towards what I'm studying right now. I am that much amount of concentration. If you are having, which I want you to have, what I realized at that particular moment is nobody is clapping for me. See, I want to do this one thing for you. If you are watching this video, I'm clapping for you. I'm clapping for you just because I know how much amount of hard work you're putting in. Even if not, if you are going to do it after this video, but I'm clapping for you just because of the amount of hard work you're putting in your hustle, in your day-to-day works, in your responsibilities. The amount of hard work which you're doing is insanely great, and there is nobody clapping for you. But I want to be that person who is clapping for you in your hustle, in your hard work, in your toughest of the days, in your heaviest of the days. I want to be that person who clap for you, because nobody else is watching you, nobody else is applauding you, nobody else is appreciating you for your amount of hard work which you are doing. But I know how much amount of hard work which you are putting in. So I want to clap for you. First thing. Second thing, you have to be grateful for everything which you have in your life. Once you are grateful, you are solving your inner self. And once you are solving your inner self, when you sit alone, you get a lot of amount of concentration and focus towards something which you are going to plan, or something which you are going to study, or something which you are going to learn in your present moment. See, being solved from inside, you get so much amount of concentration. You don't have anything from the past. You are not worried about anything about the future. You are completely present at this particular moment, and you are studying something, and you are grasping every single thing which you are studying, and you are learning it for long term. So that is going to help you a lot in your life. See, if you are in a stream, if you are in a mechanical, electrical, civil, aero industry, or computer engineering, if you are in any industry, you are trying to learn something new, then the best way to learn is to first solve yourself from inside. Answer every single question which you have inside of yourself, that why it happened, or what is happening, or what is going to happen, or what best can happen, or why he's like this, or why she's like this, or why she's not responding to me, or why this. Solve every single small questions which you have inside of yourself. You have to solve it out. First you will solve it out, then you have all the answers to your questions. You just do this quick maths. If it is controllable, then you can take actions on it. If it is not controllable, it is outside of your thinking, outside of your control. Two things: you can either do something about something if it is controllable by you. If it is out of your control, you cannot do anything about you. So there is nothing to ponder about that particular situation. If you cannot do something about a situation, then there is no there is no meaning to think about it. Let it happen just the way it is. Let it happen. But if there is something which you can control, then you have to take actions on it as soon as possible. So once your inner self is solved, completely solved, then you are able to focus. You can give your entire focus towards what you are doing in your life. This is the best trick which I can tell you. First, solve yourself from inside. Once you're solved from inside, you sit with your parents, you sit with your grandparents, you sit with your mentor, you sit with your best friend, you sit with your classmate, you sit with somebody who can solve these questions for you, or either with yourself. If you are not able to solve with yourself, sit with somebody who can do this for you. If your questions are solved, then you are completely in the present moment. And when you're completely in the present moment, you can achieve great things in life, which I'm telling you, which I have seen in myself. I'm just hustling, hardworking, just like never before. And I love this myself. I love this thing. I love this particular present moment of myself. Just the way I am. I'm studying hard, I'm working hard, I'm getting the results. I can see the marks of MSc mid-semester examination, I can see the marks of second semester examination, I can see the marks, I can see the results, and I know that what kind of personality I am even without the marks. I am not just completely focused towards the marks, but I know who I am. I know what I can do. I know what I'm capable of. I know what I can do. I can achieve great things in life. What kind of personality I am. I have known these things because I have went through a lot, and I have got the answers of the worst questions in my life just by my experience. And that gave me this complete gratitude and a sympathy and a compassion for myself, what I can do for others, how we can help people, and how I can grab more attention, or how I can focus on the better topics, how I can do that. I have learned it from my experiences. So that is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video, that if you are trying to learn something new, and if you're trying to regain your confidence, just solve your inner self first. And once it's solved, you will automatically gain some confidence. You will automatically gain all the entire concentration which you can have in your life, and then you can start learning great things in your life, and you will remember it for forever, and you will achieve great success in your life. See, if you do the hard work, there is nobody in the entire world who can stop you from succeeding in life. If you listen to this again, if you do the hard work, there is nobody in the entire world who can stop you from succeeding in life. Again, I'm telling you, if you do the hard work, there is nobody in the entire world who can stop you from succeeding in life. This is the best truth which I can tell you, and that you are holding inside of yourself, that one hero you're holding inside of yourself, and you are going to be the first person in your whole family, in your whole generation, who is going to be that person who is going to complete all the dreams of your parents, of your child, of your kid, of your wife, of your husband, of your entire relationship. You are the first person who is going to be that person who is going to achieve every single great things in their life, and going to change the life of your loved ones. So keep working hard. That's what I will suggest you. Keep working hard, keep having that kind of sweat, keep having that sweat, keep working hard, have patience in life, gain the concentration. You can do it. I know you can do it. I want to clap it for you. I want to clap it up for you. You can do it. You can do anything in your life. You can achieve great things in your life. Just keep working hard, be consistent, and solve your inner self, and keep working hard. Please do the hustle. Please do the hard work. You are going to be the first person who is going to achieve every single dream of your loved ones. So I hope you loved this video, and if you did, don't forget to please like this video. Don't forget to please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press that bell notification so you can get the notification of the videos at first. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to like this video. I'll be very happy. I'll be honestly very happy, and I'm honestly very happy, but I will be more happier if you'll subscribe the channel and if you'll like this video. So keep working hard and have patience. Everything is going to be great. Everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be all right. Keep working hard. Have patience. See ya.